Chicken Junglee Pulao has a huge flavor hit from a great marinade, and once you marinate the chicken, your half work is done for a quick lunch or dinner. Namaskar, I'm Shyamalisi. Welcome to Foodie's Hut. Here we share Bengali and Indian recipes for home cooking. So if you share the same interest, then do subscribe and stay connected. Let's get started. In this mixing bowl, I have taken chicken drumsticks, bone-in, skin off. You can take any bone-in chicken pieces of your choice. Add in cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, ginger and garlic paste. Sprinkle salt to taste. Add beaten yogurt and mix everything well. Let it marinate for 2 hours. Overnight is always better. In this bowl, I have basmati rice washed and soaked into water for 30 minutes. Now let's drain the rice and keep on a sieve. In my cooking pot, I have preheated cooking oil, and here I have some whole spices: cinnamon, cloves, green cardamom, bay leaves. Adding all the spices to the hot oil, keep stirring for a couple of seconds till the spices release the aroma. In this bowl, I have sliced red onion. Sprinkle salt, then add the onion. Cook the onion over medium heat till it turns to almost brown color. Now add the marinated chicken. Over high heat, cook for a couple of minutes. Now add about a cup of water. Cover with a lid and over medium heat cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. In this bowl, I have chopped tomato and sliced green chilies. I'm adding the chopped tomato now. Put the lid back again. Continue cooking over medium-low heat till the chicken is almost 90% cooked through. In between, stir the chicken a couple of times so that it doesn't stick to the inner bottom of the pan. The chicken is almost cooked and you can see that the oil is releasing from the spice mixture. Adding this chopped coriander and half of the chopped mint leaves. Soaked rice. Increase the heat to high and stir the rice and chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes. You will see that the texture of the rice will change. This process will help to remove the starch from the rice and will get a fluffy pulao. Add boiling water. Now the ratio is 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of boiling water. When the liquid is boiling, I like to add a little bit of sugar to balance the taste of tomato. That's totally optional. Then add sliced green chilies, remaining chopped mint leaves. Reduce the heat to low and put the lid on again. Cook for 10 minutes and then turn off the heat and give another 10 minutes resting time. By that time, you can make a quick raita. Today I am serving this spicy Junglee Pulao with some cucumber mint raita. If you enjoy this recipe, like this video, make it in your kitchen and tag us on all these social media. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.